we've birthed a lot. And I'm talking, I can count 6. So half a dozen. I can count 6 people who worked for me or worked with me who've gone off to try to do the same thing that we do. They've gone off to do a website or a web magazine or a web store or a YouTube channel or all of the above, social media channels, blah, 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 blah. And hey, that's great. That's fine. By all means. It sucks that I spent all this time, showing you how to do it. And then you go, you know what? Screw Kevin. I'm going to do it my way. Okay, fine. But you know what? I did the same damn thing. All right. I worked for a publisher, digital publisher in the automotive industry. And after launching the Watercraft Journal, I launched Mopar Connection magazine. But it was also addressing a niche audience that they weren't addressing. So I felt like, well, they're not going to do that, so I'm going to talk to them. Okay, great. So all that's to be said is that I've had no problem with people bouncing and doing their own thing or mimicking what we do. And okay, fine. The hard thing is knowing where they came from, meaning the Watercraft Journal, and then trashing us or actively trying to take revenue from us. Because I'm like, dude, I'm very big live and let live. I love to live and let live. I think healthy competition is fine. I think a rising tide raises all ships. I work with guys currently who have their own YouTube channels. I love them. They do great. They add to the equation. I help them get product from my own advertisers so that they can produce content both for me and them. I don't have a problem with it. But when these guys start doing I'm not those guys, but when people that I've trained say, hey, oh, you shouldn't work with the Watercraft Journal, they suck, work with me instead. I'm like, okay, well, now you're taking revenue that I pay my team with, I keep my lights on with, I feed my kids with. All right. We've gone from friendly to now combative. We're now competition. And I don't want to do that. All right. I don't compete with Pro Rider. Pro Rider and I don't compete. We're talking to very little overlap between our two audiences. Okay. That's it. I'm talking to a far more casual audience than Pro Rider is. Pro Rider is a very hardcore, race-centric, 50-50 sit-down to stand-up centric audience. I'm talking to a near parallel of the buying market. So I don't look at Pro Rider as competition, and I really don't think they look at me as competition either. I don't think they sit there and shiver in their boots going, what's Watercraft Journal up to? Oh, no. They don't care. They don't care. All right? The ratties do not give a damn about what we do. And that's fine. That's fine. All right? But it gives jet ski enthusiasts another channel or another outlet to look at. Great. That's awesome. I think that's positive. But when I have people who write for me who split and start a parallel web magazine, and then they start calling Riva Racing and saying, hey, Kevin sucks, you should advertise with me. All right. What the hell? And I think it's really funny because it's like, I'm not picking these fights. I'm not picking these fights. I really am not. But the difference is that I've won every one of them. Of the 6 who've left, 4 of them, their ventures have gone tits up. I've crushed all of them. And I mean that, me. I've crushed 4 out of the 6. I'm devilishly competitive. And I'm not saying that as a threat. I'm just saying that it's like, that's my worst nature. I'm like, I don't like that part of me. Because I get all wound up and then I work till 2 a.m. and it's like, dude, we're going to do this and we're going to do this. You know, it puts a lot of steam behind the magazine, but it's not worth it. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.